You're about to open a business bank account. You've heard whispers, rumors, maybe even horror stories. One name keeps popping up, Qonto. Is it the golden goose of business banking? Or is it just another shiny object? Let's cut through the noise. Imagine this: you've just birthed your business idea. It's a delicate creature, full of potential. You need a bank account that's not just a bank account. You need a financial partner that understands your hustle. This is where Qonto steps into the spotlight, or does it? We're going to dive deep. We'll talk about features, fees, security, customer service, the whole shebang. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's address the elephant in the room: trust. Is Qonto reliable? Can you really put your hard-earned money in their hands? Trust is the foundation of any relationship, especially a financial one. So, let's build it from the ground up. We'll start with security. Your money is your bloodline. So, how does Qonto protect it? Are your funds safe from prying eyes and digital bandits? Next, we'll talk about accessibility. Can you manage your finances on the go? Is the app user-friendly? Can you easily send invoices, track expenses, and reconcile your accounts? A business bank account should be your financial co-pilot, not a headache. But features and security are just one side of the coin. What about the human element? How's Qonto's customer service? Are they there when you need them? Do they understand your business needs? We'll also talk about the costs. Is Qonto worth the price? Are there hidden fees lurking in the shadows? And let's not forget about the integrations. Does Qonto play well with other business tools you use? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether Qonto is the right fit for your business. We'll provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision. So, is Qonto reliable? Let's find out. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.